Rolled through the party at the county jail. Prison band there, they began to wail. Going, jumping, hopping, and began to swing. Till they heard the knockout jailbirds singing, let's ride. Everybody, let's ride. Everybody in the wholesale bar, we're dancing to the jailhouse rock. Well, the smiling birds playing and the saxophone. There's a joke blowing on the slide trombone. Drum folks milling on the crash, boom, bang. Oh, rhythm section was a purple gang, let's ride. Everybody, let's ride. Everybody in the wholesale bar, we're dancing to the jailhouse rock. I said, come on over, baby, got a whole lot of shaking going on. I said, come on over, baby, baby, can't go wrong. Well, I ain't thinking, I got a whole lot of shaking going on. Well, come on over, baby, now we got chicken in the bar. I said, come on over, baby, baby, I got the bull by the horn. Well, I ain't thinking, I got a whole lot of shaking going on. Well, the number 37 turned to number 3. You're the cutest jailbird I ever did see. Sure be delighted with your company. Come on to the jailhouse rock with me, let's ride. Everybody, let's ride. Well, everybody in the wholesale bar, we're dancing to the jailhouse rock. Well, the side sack sitting on the block of stone. Over in the corner, weeping all alone. Oh, steady, buddy, don't you be no square. Can't find a party, use the wood and share, let's ride. Everybody, let's ride. Well, everybody in the wholesale bar, we're dancing to the jailhouse rock. I said, come on over, baby, got a whole lot of shaking going on. I said, come on over, baby, baby, can't go wrong. Well, I ain't baby, got a whole lot of shaking going on. I hear that train come, it's rolling around the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. But I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that lonesome whistle, I hang my head and cry. They freed me from this prison to that railroad train of mine. I guess I'd move it on a little further down the line, far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay. And I'll let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.